Who are you? Could you speak clearer? Okay, and what do you want? No, it's not going to be an inspection today. You need to talk to your lawyer. My lawyer made an appointment for Monday. You didn't show up. So put the paper in the door here to show me that it's an inspection today so the lawyer can give it to the judge. Do you have a paper? Then you have no right to come up here. That's called harassment. And this video that I'm doing of you is going to the judge too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Today is April. Today is April 13th, and there's a guy standing outside here. He doesn't have a paper. He doesn't have an order. He doesn't leave any kind of message so my lawyer can contact me. There is no communication. And they know they're wrong, and nobody's saying I'm supposed to get an apartment. I'm a real American, Native American, Irish, and West Indian black, and I was born and raised here. They can have this damn shitty apartment, but then I can't be in here. So we'll see what the judge says. And this judge is going to see this video of this guy coming up here unannounced and unauthorized. They need to communicate with their attorney. And it's after 8 o'clock. They were supposed to come. You just don't come when you want to. If there was American people that was really legitimate that would come up here like they used to fix these Williamsburg housing, then they would have come on time. And they would have did the right thing. But they get these people that would do anything for money to harass certain tenants. But I'm not ready to go yet. I'll go when I'm good and damn ready. And I will be in a new apartment. April 13th, the guy is still standing outside. And at least he has a mask. It's already 15 minutes and he's still standing out there in the hallway. I don't know what he's doing. He's probably writing. And I think somebody else is coming. I don't know if he's still out there or not. I didn't hear the door close downstairs, and it's been over 8 minutes. I'm assuming he left. It's 9 minutes. April 13th, and the time is 8:21 a.m.